Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS. I'm on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we will see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, I will start with today's morning show. So after the match, we Arsenal play yesterday against Newcastle. So Ian Wright was now speaking to the Premier League productions where they do their analysis. So Wright's going to say too many players for that match. We're off key against Newcastle. When you watch the way we take play, like we couldn't hold Newcastle yesterday. And he also talk about some things about Ethan Waneri. So White calls out Arsenal star. Why I say White, Ian Wright, the para for Merino gone. You get, because when you read the entirety of the report, you say Merino no really dey tight for the game. Say Merino dey slow. You get. Because they talk about yes, there were too many players off key today. He told Premier League Productions. Odegaard don't come out for a long time, and he say he no wan really use Odegaard as excuse. Say okay, we lose because Odegaard know. They say no. You can't even talk about Fabio Vieira, the person we say we bring in to be Odegaard deputy. By the end of the day, that one we don't see too much of that one. And that one, a player will say he was meant to be in the same mold as Odegaard. Even the guy himself, she be na what they call him? Na FC Porto you go. I say go get injury there. Whether I don't recover, I don't really know. But Basi continue to talk say, okay, Emil Smith Rowe, we move him on. Now we have Ethan Waneri, will be a youngster. What would they say? Okay, one bring him on, but the pressure is too much on the small boy. And that is the truth. They talk say, play Waneri. It's not easy. The pressure for all these kind of games, you just say the pressure with the EPL race and the pressure with the cup games are the same. So now what you right side they talk say this kind of game, the intensity too high for the guy. See, I say just enter Joey Love don't let her know already. Say this one no be cup or don't play around one time. And it's when down bond they mark and they close and down. It's not easy. In the match, we don't get any shot on goal. That's not one. Just one shot on goal in the entirety of about 94 or 95 minutes. When they play about 30 to 35 minutes, it's no easy. That's what we are saying. That's why we just okay with them transition and small. After that one, Wright's gonna enter Merino, talk plenty about Merino. You know, say as of now, people see the para based on how we take loose. But for me, I think we dey push the anger into the wrong place. Many people don't talk about why we no sign striker for transfer window. Why we no do, but all those one are a different arguments. Let's face wetin happen for the match. Hold the players accountable. I no go lie for you. And when I first read this report from Ian Wright at the Premier League production, the first way come my mind now, God bless you, sir. Because this is what I've been saying in the full-time analysis show. Hold the players accountable. For me, I told you all the players played rubbish, excluding the likes of maybe Partey, Saliba. Saliba still try, unless that mistake we then do where Isaac they score. Raya. Only a few people not really there for the game. The rest, they played fantastic rubbish. That's why when I see Ian Wright talk that they say many players were off key, I say yes. Hold them. Talk and say Saka no did this game. Saka where they see Saka may not be 100% fit. Simba is not 100% fit. Gabriel Magalhaes faced a late fitness test to come in here, which means Magalhaes the possibility they say you know the 100% fit. Ben White's not the 100% fit because I've seen that argument of why they go play Partey right back, why they go play Partey right back. If you watch the cup game, we will play. Do you know that Partey played right back in that game? The cup game, we will play. They brought in Partey to go to right back because I said that Thomas Partey they go come out and people say no, they go put Haven on Nichols. Now Partey play that right back. It's not like we love to play Partey there. No. The reason we could play Partey because people say why Arteta go put Ben White for bench if in the fit. Please, Ben White is not fit. All the Arteta video why they play for now. Is it that when I they play this video, maybe you know they watch I'm like I don't understand. So when you look at everything, I don't hear all the old arguments, but we need to just calm down because if to say Ben White the 100% fit, I don't think Arteta will just keep him on the bench. No. Because Ben White gets a growing problem. So I think that one don't settle that argument of those where they say why Ben White go there fit and then go there for bench. That one don't settle that side. On Merino argument, say why they play him, I still tell you, Merino score against Liverpool. So it is logical that as a manager, you go want to play him again. So that's just it. And meanwhile, for those, I don't see many people say Arsenal not go win the league, Arsenal not go win the league. Even one of my senior man enter my DM, what they discuss about all this. See, make I show you our calendar. the games where Arsenal don't play, away games where Arsenal don't play this season. Arsenal don't play Aston Villa away. Arsenal don't play Tottenham Hotspur away. We don't play Manchester City away. We don't play Newcastle away. Even Bournemouth away now don't they turn to a tough ground. Away. They don't beat Arsenal. They don't beat Man City. Although they beat us with red card, though. Get so, but this Man City own those one there now with normal 11 men. Let they play their own. So our next games, look at our next away, Chelsea. All these are tough games. We don't play more tougher games than Man City and Liverpool combined. Now look at Liverpool away games where they don't play this season. Only Manchester United and Arsenal. Maybe 2 away games they don't play. They go still go tougher grounds. After they play Southampton, they go play Newcastle. We go see what themselves go do for that St. James's Park. After St. James's Park, they will play Everton, they will come play Tottenham Hotspur. We will see what themselves go do there. People say we don't play that one. So we could just chill. I don't really they fear Liverpool. Now Man City gone because Liverpool will still pass their own bad patch. Look at Man City. How many tough away games they don't play compared to us? Man City play Chelsea. When Chelsea never did beat, when Chelsea just starts season, they never even get themselves. Apart from that, points they play Newcastle. Newcastle chop their eye. Now so it be now. When you go to tough grounds, you get anything can happen. Newcastle chop their eye. See Bournemouth have chop their eye. Even though Bournemouth have not be like a very big team. For you to know, say okay, see now after they go play against Brighton and Hove, even Brighton match is Brighton now for the Amex Stadium. Now tough match too. Anything can happen. Anything on Brighton, if they're on their day, they're ready to chop your eye. Then self now match will be say is strong. After Brighton, Man City go play Liverpool. One of them must drop points. So this thing it will touch everybody. See Aston Villa, Man City go still go Aston Villa. We don't go there. Come back. So this fear of we really don't go until it is mathematically impossible for us to win the league. It is not over. It is simple as ABC. So all those fear mongering where people they share, Baba. If you believe say the league don't finish, Baba, now keep on for yourself. Don't force me. Don't force us to believe say okay, we not go win the league. Like which fan believes that? Which fan pushes that type of narrative? Like, I don't just understand. You support this fan in good and in bad times. This is be like marriage. You love Arsenal unconditionally. Why are you not putting a condition? So unless they win the league before you go love Arsenal, you ought to love them unconditionally. Support them, especially when they are down. Not when they are down, other people they blast them, you go follow, they kick them down. That's not how it works. Give constructive criticisms. And when you criticize, make the criticism touch everybody. Don't be say they look only one side. Okay, look at Ancelot's press conference where I watched this morning. Ancelot was talking about in team. You get the way that they play for their match against Brighton. Say, really they impressed with what they show for a match. He said everyone deserves to be subbed, like brought out. We know it in your own team play. Say they don't show up. Now what's in the talk? That's part of the thing that you tell people say players can play rubbish for a match. People they say, I know you have to blame Mateta. No, these players they're not playing for free. When you watch that Ancelot's press conference, but they just say lucky. So then turn around. In fact, he was praising the fans, the Anfield fans. Imagine say that match now away. He was praising them for rallying around the troops. In fact, I also watched Pep Guardiola press conference. If you hear what Pep talk, Pep declare or say, if players no do, I say Bournemouth pass them. So Bournemouth they higher. The intensity of Bournemouth carry on, then no fit match am. I carry the video come now. I go plan for you. Maybe you hear from Pep for you to know. Say sometimes you blame the players. Sometimes nobody say you know better pass that person, no. But on that person day, a Jane go get luck, he go chop your eye. Now, what did Bournemouth do Man City yesterday? Man City believes they go 80 minutes, they chop 2-0 for Bournemouth area against an Andoni team. They believe, but it did happen. This will just happen like, go be like say everything, anything you do, they go wrong. It did happen like that. Let's take a look.
His intensity, all the situation long balls, we could not win.
Yeah, we couldn't match their intensity.
And when win this type of balls to Semenyo or central defenders, strikers, after you had to defend deeper, we struggled to make our build up. But especially for that, the rhythm that they put in the game, for many reasons, they were higher than us, and we could not handle it.
Chiyera, they were higher than us. We could not handle the intensity. Man City were forced to defend deeper. Against Bournemouth, not be against Barca or Real Madrid or against Liverpool or Arsenal, against Bournemouth. Big manager they tell you say the intensity where these people be say them be small on paper, but what did they do? The intensity We don't feel match am. For you to know say players can play rubbish. You go set out the perfect formation. Wetin nobody dey talk sef? Shey we never get match wey be say we get clean squad, don't they got there everybody down play rubbish. Wey be say people more just calm down, because I was frustrated yesterday. I saw a lot of negativity, a lot of toxicity in the comment section. I say, these Arsenal fans, are we only supporting the team when they win? Only when they win. Now we support them. But when they drop points, you disown them. You get, you wish them bad. It wasn't funny. I was not happy at all. I was not happy, but it is what it is. Even Martin Q himself come out when they call out 3 Arsenal players for the errors that led to Newcastle United game. Baba even they call Thomas Partey. Say Thomas Partey, based on play right back, that's it. Thomas Partey, Saliba, and Gabriel Magalhaes, they were responsible, because especially Gabriel Magalhaes and Saliba, how can a striker score a goal, cross and nod in between the two of you? And Antonio Gordon, now Gordon pull out that, see that crossing now, pinpoint, perfect, accuracy, precision. See the way Gordon plays that in. As in, you don't even hold the ball, as the ball they come just whine now. Poor, Isaac know that, but see, Martin Q, may calm down a bit, because Partey, leave Partey, because Partey they play where no be in position, and he try and best. So I go still cut him some slack. But you see, Gabriel Magalhaes injuries they come from injury. They are not robots, so you see need to cut him some slack. See, we lose, we say we lose. More than they do like bad losers. So match they say, Baba, you go just play rubbish, you go lose. Take him like that, like what's in Pep they talk. Say you don't happen, say not happen. Say by the time with their own players, we don't injure. Look at what is happening to Haaland. After the match Haaland play against Arsenal, how many goals he don't score again? Why? Because De Bruyne no day to the feed down. How many goals he don't score? So Pep can talk say by the time when De Bruyne will come back, probably after the international break, another player will come back, then they will start being back to their best. For you to know, say one player I feel no day for your team. Should be now I will talk this. I say Rodri absence, now big absence. You see how people they enter Man City. Because they don't get that protection. Don't be say Kovacic no fit do am. Don't be say Rico Lewis no fit do am. But Rodri is Rodri. Just like Odegaard. We no get am. Don't be say Trossard no fit try and best. Don't be say Wanderers no fit try and best. But Baba, you know they be say you know D. Nothing, no Jupiter, nothing. So now so it will be more just learn how to take a loss. Don't be say anytime we will lose, every heaven must come down. No. Sometimes the players go play rubbish and you lose. Take it like that. Life no go end. So life goes on. Now the mirror, based on the way everything they go, we call the year say Arsenal want tender 90 million for Mohamed Kudus. See, say based on say Trossard, they get people they interested in Trossard from Saudi Arabia, so they are looking at the situation whereby maybe they will carry and Kudus. Me, I don't want to hear all this kind of thing, because I don't want to make Arsenal where they do panic buy based on say okay, we don't lose. Say Arsenal are lining up West Ham winger Mohamed Kudus as a 90 million replacement for Saudi targets. Leandro Trossard. That's if Trossard leaves, they go buy and this guy. See, I don't think the winger might be the first priority. Now striker, might be the first priority. And I believe Arteta knows this. In fact, I never want to take this news. Look, I don't want to hold on tight, but I say make I see tell you in case now go see a message. I say I just not talk this thing, but just take it with a pinch of salt. I don't say Arsenal putting down 90 million for Kudus. It's impossible. I don't see it happening. So more just to watch. Now Lewis Hall will be the Newcastle's youngster. We keep out because Saka can be very, very happy. Say yes. Saying keep Saka quiet. Everything what they tell Saka no play, Saka no dey the game. And why he go dey the game? You know why Saka no dey that game? The team where Ben White they do for Saka, will be saying they help Saka for all those 2v1 situations. Partey could not do it. And you know go really blame Partey because no be in line of work, no be in 40. You know go really fit do am like Ben White, because if he go, if they won't come counter us, Partey no go fit track back. Partey no be the fastest of players. You get so now what did Ben White do? That's why Saka was kept quiet, because when you see Joe Linton, they help out this Lewis Hall. So they can be 2 against Saka. You get, and since White know they overlap to equal them 2v2, so that Saka go they face with one person 1v1. So since that one no day, no why you go do now. And when you look at the other side, Gordon they help out Livramento against Martinelli, and nothing is happening there. You get, so that's the issue. So at the end of the day, he happened to say it happened. And when you see Lewis Hall, the guy, they're very, very happy, because when you read the entirety of the reports, but back of the it was really a good performance from us. They say he even collect man of the match award. You know, for you to collect man of the match, it means you did a fantastic job against Saka. That's the coco. So TNT Sports called the interview. So you can say I think we know what Arsenal can bring. We saw all of it last season, and we know how competitive they are. You get. Instead, when we went 1-0 up, it was just about being in a low block because Newcastle offered nothing really in the game, and they took him. Say Newcastle play nothing. Lewis Hall now they confirm to you say then go low block. Immediately and score that early goal, now low block. Now the talkers they say they're not playing anything. Somebody they ask, I just say they're not playing. What did they play? Apart from the chance where I asked, what did he do again? We had 64% of the ball possession, and only one shot on goal if you manage because of the low block. So it is what it is. They happen. It don't happen. Say don't happen. We could just take solace in the fact say our players will still come back, and many games still they come for this league. People will still drop point. AJ, we don't play tougher games, more tougher games than our opponents. We don't play more tougher games than Liverpool. We don't play more tougher games than Man City. And remember, say everybody will still meet everybody. So we go round. Someone just calm down. That'll be my message this morning. Let's calm down. So the biggest news of the day, that be the fact say Ian Wright also come outside, they call out the players. Say because too many players were off key against Newcastle, and it is quite sad. So well, it is what it is. I don't want to dwell on this issue. It don't happen, we say it don't happen. So my dear stand of us, I think it's a fine place for us to call the show an end. So I come your way later in the evening to give you the evening news. So then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day. Like them out. All right, guys. Happy Sunday, y'all.